Hey guys, what's up? Back here with the Jaguar today, and going to be doing an install of appearance items here. This is going to be the carbon fiber look now in the interior. So we got the center console pieces, some of the door handle pieces right here. So I've already prepped the surface and I've already cleaned it all, so it definitely needs to be cleaned really good before you go to install this kind of stuff if you ever do this on your own. But yeah, so we're going to go to the interior here, and we're going to start with these three pieces here. This will be for the center console. I'll start with the top one first, or this one or the other, but the back one I'll probably do last. But so yeah, we're going to go to the interior, and we're gonna start on these right here. So we'll go take a look. All right, guys, we're in the interior now. So this is what it looks like before. And here's what the pieces look like inside the interior. I think they look really well, really good. I think it'll just make it look a lot better. So these pieces, this has already been cleaned. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to do this first, but this has to be carefully done. So I'll probably do this off video, but just kind of show you guys how it's gonna be applied. This is where it's going to go right here, and then right here, and then the back piece goes back here. So, and then I'll lift this up to get back in here. So this is how it's going to go, and we're going to apply this. So when you go to apply it, you want to make sure you go edge to edge and all that good stuff. So and you still got, this does take a little bit up here, but it still works just fine. So on your button to release your door here. So we'll be back, and just going to get these installed here, and then yeah, we'll be back here soon. All right, guys, back here with the install here. So I opened this door up because I'm going to go back to this edge here. This is where I'm going to line this up at. If you have this door closed, it's kind of hard to do that. You use your finger to line the edge up. So you want to line this edge up over here and this edge up here, so that way it all comes out correctly in the end. All right, guys, we're back here. I've got the first piece installed. So what I did was I undid this here, pulled this back so I can follow this edge down on the back. I lined up this edge first back over here, then I lined up this edge with my finger all the way down, so it'll be a real nice edge right here. So, and then this will shut, and you won't even, it's seamless right there, so it's perfect. So now the next piece is going to be this one that goes over here, and then it's going to be, but I'm going to have to, of course, keep this door closed, and then I'm going to line everything up there. It does take a minute, though, so it takes a minute to line it all up, but you want to make sure to get those edges lined up just right so you don't see anything below that. So I'll get this piece here installed, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back here with the main piece installed now. So you have to be really careful with this one. Not only do you have to line up the edges perfect, but you got to make sure that this, if the edges aren't lined up perfect on this one, this is such a perfect cutout that it's going to stick on you. The button right here. This here works seamlessly though. The button, as you can see, it pops right back up. If you don't have that perfect, like perfect, it will not pop back up. It'll stick on you. So this mechanism works perfect though. So now we're just going to install the last piece in the back, and we'll be back and show you what the final outcome looks like. All right, guys, we're back here. Got all the pieces all done. So on this one here, you want to take note to not go too far over this way, because if you do, this here, when you hit to go to open it, it's going to hit right there too. If you, I mean, this one doesn't hit, but just watch out. Make sure you don't get these too close together or anything like that. But yeah, it's all done now. So now I'm going to go on to the door panels and such. So I'm going to be doing door panels here, and some extra little pieces over here. So we'll be doing that in the video here. At some point I'll show a final whenever everything's all done though. All right, guys, back here with the final on the carbon fiber appearance pieces. Got everything installed now. It's a little dark in here, but I might have another video in the future and might show a little bit more, but at least you can get an idea what everything looks like here. So on the centerpiece, just make sure you have to get this perfectly right, otherwise it won't open correctly. So, but as you can see, everything opens really nice on this. Just have to make sure around here is really good. So and over here, I did these over here as well, of course. So alright guys, well, until next time, we'll see you guys later.